How do you say that you've kissed the ground I walked on? You should kill me, rather. I'm so tired. If I could only rest. Rest. I am a seagull. No. I am an actress. Is there too? Well, no matter. He does not believe in the theater. He used to laugh at my dreams. So that little by little, I became disheartened and ceased to believe in it too. Then came the cares of love, the anxieties of my little one, and I soon grew trivial and spiritless and played my parts without any meaning. I never knew what to do with my hands, and I could not walk properly or control my voice. You cannot imagine the state of mind of one who knows, as he goes through a play, how terribly, badly he is acting. I'm a seagull. No, that's not what I meant to say. Do you remember when you shot a seagull once? A man chanced to pass that way and destroyed it out of idleness. That is an idea for a short story, but it is not what I meant to say. What was I saying? Oh yes, the stage. I have changed now. Now, I am a real actress. I act with joy. I act with exaltation. I am intoxicated by it. And I feel that I am superb. I've been walking and walking and thinking ever since we've been here, and I feel the strength growing in me every day. I know now. I understand, Constantine, that for you and I, whether we write or act, it is not the honor or glory that I have dreamt of that is important. It is the strength to endure. One must know how to bear one's cross. And one must have faith. I believe. And so I do not suffer much. And when I think of my calling, I do not fear life.